Under the silver moon we're standing still. Your heartbeat whispers things my words can't feel. I see the future softly in your eyes, a quiet promise underneath the night. And every step we take feels like a dream. You're everything my heart has ever seen. I won't give you to anyone. No shadow, no rising sun. You're the breath inside my lungs, my forever, my only one. Hold my hand, don't let it go. Through the high and through the low, baby, you're my home I run to. And I won't give you to anyone. Your voice is like a soft and gentle rain, calming the chaos, healing every pain. Even when the world feels far too loud, beside you I am safe, I'm spellbound. And in your arms my worries disappear. It's only love that's drawing us near. I won't give you to anyone. No shadow, no rising sun. You're the breath inside my lungs, my forever, my only one. Hold my hand, don't let it go. Through the high and through the low, baby, you're my home I run to. And I won't give you to anyone. If the nights get dark, I'll light the sky. If you lose your wings, I'll help you fly. Every heartbeat says you're the one. My moon, my stars, my endless sun. I won't give you to anyone. Not now, not ever, love. Stay with me, we'll rise as one. 'Cause I won't give you. No, I won't give you to